Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're an iPhone user looking to streamline your payments, adding a card to Apple Pay is a game changer. It's quick, secure, and super convenient for everything from coffee runs to online shopping. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have an iPhone with the latest iOS update in the Wallet app installed. It's preloaded on most devices, but double check in your app library. Okay, let's dive in. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Wallet app. It's the one with the wallet icon, usually on your home screen. Once you're in, look for the plus sign, plus, in the upper right corner and give it a tap. This is where the magic begins. You'll see options to add a card. Go ahead and select debit or credit card. Now, you have two ways to enter your card details. You can manually type them in, or if your iPhone has a camera, scan the card directly. Just position your card under the camera as prompted, and it'll pull the info automatically. Double check that everything looks correct, like the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Apple Pay will then ask you to verify the card with your bank. This might involve receiving a one-time code via text or email, so keep an eye on your messages. Enter the code when prompted, and voila, your card is added. But wait, there are a couple of quick tips to make this even smoother. Ensure your device's Face ID or passcode is set up for security, and remember that not all cards are supported, so if yours doesn't work, contact your bank. Once added, you can use Apple Pay at stores, in apps, or online. Just double-click the side button on your iPhone and authenticate with your face or fingerprint. That's it, now you're ready to pay with just a tap. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy paying.